So thanks to everyone for coming. Can you make yourselves one final piece of noise for making this night so wonderful? Thank you. Thanks so much. Finally, we say goodbye. Mr. Mark Wilson from Jet on the bass guitar. Mr. James Fleming from Gumboot on the keyboard. And from Queensland and Powderfinger, Mr. Darren Middleton on the electric guitar and vocals.
And our friend Cram on the drums from Spiderbait.
Thank you, everyone. It's a song by the Easy Beats, the first great Australian band. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.